How are we, YouTube? Stalker IX. This belongs to William Burney, and this is here quite a while, and we're finally getting around to doing it. So meter is toast, so power socket's gone, hardwired. We have received but no transmit. Very fetching self-tapping case screws, which have absolutely destroyed the inserts. That's a pity. Yeah, what can you do? So we're going to break it down now. We get the front off and get the meter changed out and all that good stuff. See what's going on with the transmit. Get the power socket sorted out, clean the controls, and see where we go from there. We'll be back. Right, so we have her stripped down here now, and you can see she's usual dirty, manky. But it should clean up. It should clean up, and she's all there, and she's not been dickered with the exception of the power cable. So I'll have to see now, can I find the power socket and get that sorted out anyway. Right then. So all our controls are cleaned, and they were manky. They were so stiff, could hardly turn them. So new meter, white LEDs, switches are cleaned. We have transmit now. 1 2 1 2, check 1 2, audio 1 2, check 1 2. So what's that? So I see something flashing on the screen here. I don't know what it is. Anyhow, so meter works. 1 2 1 2. Right, so yeah, apparently that little thing was letting me know that the battery was almost dead, and I didn't know that the didn't cop it in the top right corner. So anyhow, as I was saying, all the controls are clean, switches are clean, new meter with LEDs and custom white face. We have transmit, okay, 1 2 1 2, check 1 2. We'll just flip it over. We have a new white power socket, and have it decoupled, and have protection diodes, and just standard unit in 3-pin job. So I just need to clean up the knobs, clean up the face as best I can, and try and clean that chrome and see what happens. Tell you now, that chrome didn't come up too bad, so all cleaned up and polished and come up alright. Just have the knobs off here because I painted the centres of them because they were all falling off by the coating they put on it. So I have them repainted, just let them dry. Then the cases will be next, tune up, back together, and that'll be it, finished. So far so good. It's coming on. Right, so here's the finished article. Knobs all nice and clean, repainted the centres of them, new meter, white insert, tuned, all new case screws, and I had to replace all the the little inserts that go inside in the chassis, because they were all like this. They're all broken because somebody drove big self-tapping screws into it. So new screws all the way around, painted the cases, and nice and tidy now. There's absolutely nothing happening on the radio the last few days, but it came out nice and clean now. She responded well, and the chrome is actually not bad on it considering the way it was when it came here. It actually polished up quite nice. So overall, another Stalker 9 saved. And yeah, internal speaker. Very nice. You just put on the dummy load. Okay, so we're on the dummy load, and we're on AM. Yeah, we're on AM. So just key the mic. Now we've got the sideband. 1 2 1 2. Making plenty of power this one. Lower sideband. So working well. Overall, AM is nice and quiet. It's wide open. Mode switch is a little bit dicky, but that'll clear up with use. When they're not used for a long time, they'll go like that. So if you even sit, that will improve with time. Just you can't clean them, like it's a complete pain. But anyhow, that is Williams Stalker 9. I'm quite pleased with how that came out now myself. I wouldn't mind having it as part of my own collection, but I already have two. So and a Stalker 9 FDX, so I don't need another one. So thanks for watching, and we'll get you again in the next one. All the best.